Hello there. I'm going to show you how to make your own dip and twist nail paint remover. Instead of getting one from the store, you can do it yourself with these simple, cheap, and easily accessible accessories. You just need a pair of scissors, a sponge which you'll find out in any stationery shop, an airtight container or a jar, just fetch one that's catching dust in your house, and of course a nail paint remover liquid of your choice. I always recommend to go for a good nail polish remover which must be acetone-free to prevent any damage to the nails. Let's get started. This sponge just cost me 15 INR. Now take that sponge and place it over the container to get an outline. Cut the sponge using the outline and make sure it's a perfect fit. Place it in the container and make a small cut in the center of the sponge, just enough for your nail to be dipped in. Pour in the nail polish remover liquid in the container and make sure the entire sponge is soaked in and close the lid tightly. Let me show you how it works. I'm applying one of my favorite colors. This one is a glittery purple color. Let's wait till it dries and test our experiment. Time for the test. When you open your container, make sure you do not expose the jar a lot, else the remover will just evaporate too soon. Now dip your nail in the jar and twist until you see all the nail paint is gone. I know the trouble of wiping the nail paints with the cotton pads. What a relief. This is so quick and effortless in comparison to the traditional way of nail paint removal. I am so much impressed by this technique. What about you? Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY and would also love to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this and any other topics I should cover on in my next video.